Today's lesson is topic 6.1, Arrays and Using Expanded Algorithm. The objective for today is that you will learn how to use models to help you record multiplication. The first problem that we are looking at says a video store display shelf has videos stacked in 3 rows. There are 12 videos in each row. Build an array to show how many videos are on each shelf. In your notes, you should have this already glued in. This is our visual for our DVDs that are on each of the shelves. In the problem, it said that there were 3 rows, which is what we would see here. I have row 1, row 2, and row 3. In each of my 3 rows, I should have 12 total DVDs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, in order to just figure out the multiplication problem for this array, I look at my total number of rows, which is 3, and I look how many are in each row, which is 12, and I would multiply those together. Again, you should already have this part glued in your notes. We are looking at what we will refer to as expanded algorithm today. Expanded algorithm we have talked about before. It's very similar to using the breaking apart method. So in this problem, we have how many groups of 10 are there and how many groups of 1 are there. So we are looking at both of our place values. With our problem, I color-coded these to help you see a better visual here. These are what we call partial products. The multiplication problem that gives me my first spot would be 2 times 3. I encourage you to write the numbers that you're multiplying together over here next to each of your partial products. Go ahead and do that in your notes. The problems that we are solving here was taking my 3 times my 2, which is what gave me this first part, which gives me the answer of 6. Then I take that same 3 right here, and I multiply it times the 1. But I'm not just multiplying times a 1, because when I look at 12, if I were to break it apart, I'd have 10 and 2, because my 1 is in the tens place. So I'm multiplying 10 times 3. All partial products we always add together. So when we add 30 and 6, I end up with an answer of 36. In your notes, I want you to write down number 1 and number 2 exactly like you see them on the screen. I'm going to start number 1 with you, and you're going to finish number 1 and number 2. In number 1, we have the original problem of 2 times 34 equals blank. I always want you to rewrite your problems going up and down like you see right here. Well, we always start with this number right here that's being multiplied. So the first part would be breaking apart my 34. So it'd be 2 times the number in the ones place. So 2 times 4. Next, I will do my 2 times the number in the tens place, but I cannot forget that I am talking about a number in the tens place. So it would be 2 times 30. And I write down that number right here. Now, 2 times 4 gives me 8. 2 times 3 gives me 6, but it's not just a 3, it's a 30. So I have to put my 0 on the end. With partial products, we said that we always add our partial products together. In your journal, finish this problem to add, and then go on and complete number 2.